Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 different ways that you can use stock video on Instagram. Listen, I know the content creation process can sometimes be really overwhelming, and trying to create your own videos on Instagram can sometimes be even more overwhelming. So today I want to talk to you about 3 different ways that you can use stock video to enhance your Instagram posts. Okay, so the first one that I want to show you guys is going to be a way to use stock video as part of a really fun vlog that you can post on Instagram Reels. So these are really trending right now, and they're super popular to set to really fun music. And it's just like 1-second clips, 1 to 2 second clips, vlog style with some text over top. So simply, I didn't have enough clips from October. Didn't go anywhere, didn't do anything too crazy. So I want to supplement that with maybe some stock video B-roll. And by B-roll, I mean just things that I didn't create myself. That kind of just adds to the story. So you can see this is a video I took, this is a video I took, this one here, and then I've supplemented it with B-roll clips in between. So what this is going to look like in the end, it's going to look a little something like this. So it's just a really fun way of adding some scenery into your vlog style reels. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is you're going to come up here and create a design, and you're going to type in reels, and you would click on this, and it's going to bring up this type of view in Canva. So what I recommend doing is adding, as you add a slide, you're going to come over into the elements section and find the grid. This is just going to be the easiest way to drag and drop some video in there. And basically what I did is I uploaded every single one of my videos first and made sure to format those and make them look good. And I'm going to show you kind of how to edit this. So you guys can see that this was, these are B-roll clips from inside of Canva. So let me show you kind of how this works. I'm going to go into the video tab. Let's see if we can find a super fun video that makes it look like I went to happy hour or something. So this one works. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop it over here. And what I like to do is I kind of like to watch or scrub through the clip and kind of see what's going on. I'm going to move this over just a little bit just for visual interest. And what I do is I just like to trim, and we're going to make this, oops. You can also drag and drop the clips around, but I have them in the order I want. I'm going to drag this to about the 1 second mark. And in order to get this overlay, this is just a shape that I've dropped the transparency on and put it to my brain colors. And then these are just text boxes. So first I'm going to copy over the shape. You just hit Command C or Control C, however you copy, and make sure that that is centered and in the middle. And then what you're going to do is select both of these, copy it, and paste. Let me make sure they line up properly. Yes. So that now I have another fun little B-roll clip, and it just kind of adds some interest and visual appeal to my fun vlog style post here that I can now go and post on Instagram Reels. And as usual, you just download this as an MP4. You can add as many slides as you want. I like to keep these kind of short, and you find some trending music, and these work out perfectly. And again, I didn't have a chance to go out and do all these fun things. And this is actually a boardwalk here in Tampa. So you can come up here and search all kinds of different things. There's so many stock videos inside of Canva. And you can find some even on Unsplash or on Google, you know, some royalty-free stock videos. And it's just a fun way to add some visual interest. And the next one that I want to show you is using stock video for just a regular feed post. So traditionally, I really do like to have tweet posts inside of my feed just because for some reason, they are some of the highest performing content that I have. So this is something I quickly just made a tweet mock-up inside of Canva. Yes, you can always go ahead and actually tweet something and screenshot it. That's totally up to you. But I didn't feel like doing that. So I have this fun little mock-up that I'll use on my tweets that I post on Instagram. But instead of having just like, I normally would do something like a plain background like this, and you know, it works. People will share it. It's awesome. But if we want to add something a little bit more visually appealing, if we really want to post a video, because as of right now, filming this, this tends to be a trend on Instagram where videos perform a little bit higher. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to add a grid, and then you can find a stock video that fits perfectly. I'm using the Social Motion packs because I felt this fit really, really well. I think it's a high quality video. I love their stock videos. So it kind of fit along with my tweet. But again, you can always come over into the video section here and grab whatever you want. You could always search something like some of my favorite, it's like leaves. I think it's a fun one. Yeah. Or you could do nature. Yeah, so anything that's kind of just visually appealing. You can always lower the opacity of the videos if you don't like how harsh they are. Find something that fits your brand, that fits your style, that fits your niche. And you can easily, if anything has a sound, you can mute it, or you can even come over here and trim the video. So I like to keep them between the 3 and 5 second mark so that people will continuously, it'll keep looping on Instagram and it'll boost my views a little bit. So I try and keep them kind of short. But again, that's just another way to add some stock imagery or some stock video and give you that video component to your Instagram strategy, to your overall content strategy without having to put your face out there so much. And the last one here that I want to show you is going to be for Instagram stories. So this is, again, very similar to the tweet post, the tweet overlay that we just did. It's just adding a little bit of visual appeal to get people to engage and interact with your Instagram story. Now, obviously, this is just a mock-up here, and I would actually put the question sticker when I upload this to Instagram. And for something like this, I do like to keep the videos around that 10 to 15 second mark so that it plays long enough to allow people to interact with my Instagram story. Whereas before, we would want to clip this one down to about, again, I kind of clip it down to like the 5 second mark, 4 second mark, things like that, so that it'll repeat and kind of boost my views. Whereas something like this for Instagram stories, you want to have it close to that 15 second mark as possible so that people have time to engage and interact with that Instagram story, especially if it's a question sticker like this. And you guys can see, I just came over here into the template section and found an Instagram story template inside of Canva, changed up the fonts and the colors a little bit and dragged and dropped another Social Motion pack stock video there. But again, you can find plenty in here. Let's see if we can find something like shadow. Yeah, there's all kinds of fun ones. Like these are very similar to the ones that I've purchased from Social Motion Pack. I think you can even do, let me see. I think there's some light leak, I think it is. Yeah, so if you don't want to do anything too crazy, you could always do some of these fun light leaks, keeping it a little bit more simple, a little bit more subtle. I know if you have a bolder brand, you can do some glitter, whatever you want, make it fit your brand. And yeah, these are just, again, another fun way to add some visual interest into your Instagram strategy. So I hope this little tutorial was super helpful for you guys. I did want to mention that Canva has some great free videos and you can find other free stock videos, but I do have to give a little shameless plug here for Social Motion Packs. Those are the ones that I absolutely love to use in my business because they are super professional. They are not cheesy, they're not corny, and they will make sure that you have a very cohesive look to your feed and to your brand. So if you guys want to head to the link below, you can grab some for yourself. And as always, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Follow me over on Instagram at @a_creativeco, and I will see you guys next week.